We understand that smart automation is key to delivering high-quality medical devices efficiently and cost-effectively. Sterling's approach to automation is laser-focused on providing real-world solutions that make a real difference for our clients.
We think a lot about what automation or technologies will make the biggest difference. Often, automating just one or two processes will have a huge impact on cost.
Automation adds significant value in several ways. It can lead to faster production, lower cost, improved quality, safer working conditions, and the ability to quickly adapt to changes. Whether it's fabrication, injection molding, or assembly, we can leverage automation to achieve precise and repeatable results.
Our automation strategy isn't just about speed and efficiency, it can also enhance quality. By reducing variability in critical processes, we're better equipped to meet, maintain, and exceed compliance standards, reducing risk for our clients.
Our approach to automation isn't always about bleeding-edge tech, it's about competitive, domestic manufacturing that helps our clients get their solutions to market. At Sterling, we don't automate for automation's sake. Our approach translates directly to clients' bottom lines. We can increase scalability while lowering cost per unit without compromising on the quality that medical professionals and patients depend on. It's how we help them stay competitive in today's market.